Mind-blowing optical illusions. Dear friends, look at this video. What is this? What is actually happening here? This is amazing. I hope I can go here. Now I'll tell you the secret of this room. This room is called Ames room, and the room is designed in such a way that one side of the room is large and wide, but the other side is small and narrow. So that if you go to the larger side, then you may look taller as comparison to the smaller size of the room. I hope you may get it. Look at this picture. Do you think are the lines parallel? Yes, they are obviously parallel. Dear viewers, look at this image. Can you say which building is more sloped? This or this? Well, both are same picture. Here our mind thinks that the picture on the right side is more sloped. Dear friend, among these two circles, which one is big? Many of you may say that the circle of the left side is bigger than the right one. But both the circles are of the same size. The circle of the left side seems big because the circle around it are smaller, and the circle on the right side seems smaller because the circles around it are bigger. Our mind is full. Our mind is full of amazing things. Dear viewers, among these three yellow dots, please see and focus any one of it for 10 seconds without blinking. You may notice that the other dot disappear when you want to focus on the one dot. If not, then just repeat the video. This is shattering. Dear friends, look at these dragons. What is this? Why are they turning towards the camera? Are they animated? Obviously no. Well, these dragons are made concavely so that they seems to be turning towards the viewers. This is also shattering. How many legs do this elephant have? However, elephant have 4 legs, but you may feel some difficulty to count, but if we cover its leg, then we can count very easily. This is a normal illusion. Dear friend, have you ever seen this man in your lifetime? No. Then just focus on the red dot of the image for 30 seconds. In that 30 seconds, don't blink your eyes if possible. And after 30 seconds, just look at the screen or any white wall in your room. Your time starts now. What did you see? You may see the color picture of that person. This is not shattering. This is super shattering. If you like this illusion, then please like this video. Dear friends, just see the rectangular shape in the middle. You may see the shape is darker in its right than the left, right? No, neither the shape in the right is dark nor in the left is light. We see such because of the background. The background is light in its right and dark in its left. So this is obviously shattering. Friends, look at this parrot. Did you see any wondering here? If no, then I'll say that this is not a parrot. This is the man which is colored with many colors, and he is sitting in such a way that we see parrot here. This is shattering. Our next illusion is that grid fixes itself. Dear viewers, what did you see in the picture? The unmanaged grid. But what if the grid fixes itself? Just stare in the middle of the picture for some time. You may see the grid fixing itself. This is really shattering. Just share this video for this amazing illusion. Now the last illusion. Before the last illusion, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can never miss our updates. Dear friends, just look at this picture. Do you ever believe such stair really exists? If no, then please watch this video.
Located in Building 7, one of the first structures put up when RIT made the move from downtown Rochester to suburban Henrietta. The stairwell, designed by Filipino architect Rafael Nelson of Uganda, was built in 1968 and has been wowing RIT. Just keep walking, get to the top. Rosie, what are you doing here?
What is happening here? How is this possible? This is unbelievable. If you want the explanation of this video, then wait for part 2. We'll bring another video of optical illusion. In that video, we'll explain how is this possible. Till that, stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Among the illusions shown in the video, which one you liked the most? Please say in the comment. See you in the next video. Have a good day.